Cosmetics firm L'Oréal has unveiled the first ever stretchable skin sensor designed to monitor UV exposure and help consumers educate themselves about sun protection. The My UV patch was launched at CES 2016 in Las Vegas and protects against skin cancer by monitoring exposure to the sun and sending the readings to a connected app. The high-tech sensor, which resembles a small Band-Aid, contains photosensitive dyes which factor in the baseline skin tone and changes color when it is exposed to UV rays. To see how much UV exposure they have received, wearers take a photograph of the patch on their smartphone and then upload it to a special app. The app then advises the wearer whether to apply more sun cream or take a break and head for the shade. The patch is a transparent plaster adhesive half the thickness of a strand of hair, at just 50 micrometers. It was developed by Technology Incubator, which is L'Oréal's tech firm, with MC10, an electronics firm that creates stretchable systems for biometric healthcare analytics. L'Oréal is launching the patch through its skincare brand La Roche-Posay at a time when sun exposure has become a major health issue. Around 90% of non-melanoma skin cancers cases are associated with exposure to UV radiation from the sun. L'Oréal claims the patch is the first stretchable electronic sensor. Guy Beluch, Global Vice President of L'Oréal's Technology Incubator, said, "Previous technologies could only tell users the amount of potential sun exposure they were receiving per hour while wearing a rigid, non-stretchable device. The key was to design a sensor that was thin, comfortable, and virtually weightless so people would actually want to wear it. We're excited to be the first beauty company entering the stretchable electronics field and to explore the many potential applications for this technology within our industry and beyond." The mobile app will be available on both iOS and Android, incorporating near-field communications, NFC, enabled technology into the patch scanning process for Android. The patch and free app, which will be launched in the summer, have been welcomed by experts. Dr. Christopher Roland Payne, consultant dermatologist to the London Clinic, said, "This is an exciting device that will motivate people in a positive way to take control of their sun exposure and will encourage them to know when it is time to leave the sun or to reapply their sunscreen. It is an ingenious way of giving people the information they need. I hope it will also get people talking to each other about safe sun exposure."